Assalamualaikum dear students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Let's start our English task. Today we will do our plan number 73. In plan number 73, our task is to read from the chapter The Foolish Dog from our textbook. Let's start our reading. I've opened page number 49. On page number 48 is the title page of The Foolish Dog, and the story will start from page number 49. Let's start the reading from page number 49. Are there two trees? No, there is no. Sorry, it is about the this activity. Look at the boy in the picture. He is looking in the mirror. What does he see? He sees a boy. It is the same boy. It is the reflection of the boy. As it is a boy and it is standing in front of a mirror. So here is another boy which is the reflection of this boy. Okay, this is not any a person but only the reflection of this person. Okay, similarly, look at the picture of the tree near the river. A tree is near the river, and a tree is we can also see a tree inside the river. So the question is, are there two trees? Exactly, there is only one tree. The other tree is the reflection of the first tree. Okay, the tree that is in the river is just the reflection of this tree. Okay, now keep the concept in your mind and start the story. Was a dog. He did not live in the house. He lived on a road. No one gave him food. He was always hungry. The name of the dog was Tipper. Okay, he has no house. Okay, he lives on the road and always was hungry because no one gave him food. One day he found a bone on the road. Okay, bone means this a part of a meat or a kind of food for animals. Okay, simply he took it and ran away to eat it. Okay, he just wanted to eat it, and so that ran away. He ran away because to eat it as soon as possible. He ran and he ran. He ran very fast. He came to a bridge. After long running, he came to a bridge. Bridge means a way on the river or a stream. Okay, this is a way this is called the stream. Sorry, this is called the bridge that is on the uh, water or any river, so that people can move or people can go on the other side of the river easily. Okay, this path is called the bridge. So the dog was came to the bridge. He was tired, so he stopped for a minute. As he stopped for a minute, he stood on the bridge and looked into the water. He stopped there and looked into the water. What did he see in the water? He saw another dog in the water. He saw a dog. The dog was holding a big bone in his mouth. He was looking that a dog is also another dog is also in the water, and he has a bone also. So, who is this dog? Tipper thought. He has a big bone. It is the biggest than mine. He was thinking that the bone that is in the water is bigger than his bone. Okay, so Tipper was very angry and he opened his mouth and barked loudly. His bone fell into the river, and then he could not see the other dog. For his Tipper, now he had no bone. It means that what happened in the story. It, in the story, the dog found a bone. He wanted to eat the bone, but as he was running, he came to a bridge, and he saw another dog in the water that was just a reflection of this dog. But he was thinking that this is another dog and he has a bone also. He was barking on this dog that is a reflection only. He was barking on it just to take the bone of this dog. as we know that there is no bone because it is just a reflection of this dog. Okay, so the dog was barking and his bone was also fell into the river, and he was looking that the reflection was not have any bone yet now. Okay, so it means that he was greedy, and in the greediness he lost his own food also. Okay students, now it's your home task is to revise this story 2 or 3 times so that you will solve the questions related to this task easily. Okay, students, take care. Allah Hafiz.